Good morning. Today we're here at the unit training equipment set at Camp Atterbury, where we store a lot of our training sets for all of our units here in Indiana, especially bigger vehicles that we can't have at the Armory, and bring them down to Atterbury. So behind me today is what's called an M113A3 armored personnel carrier, and they've been assigned to some of our units to help them with their wartime mission. And we've been directed to ship these out in support of the President's directive to provide military equipment to Ukraine. So we got short notice. The team did a complete technical inspection and were able to get all of these things ready ahead of time in less than 5 days. So a monumental Herculean effort by our maintainers, doing great work and getting this equipment ready.
We had all hands on deck and sent the technicians out to those carriers where they were located in the motor pool. They started them up and brought them into the shop. At that point, they began their technical inspections. We call it a TI, and that's in order to identify any repairs that need to be made on the vehicles. After the repairs were completed, we began road testing the carriers. So once the parts were hung and the repairs were complete, they would take the carriers on a road test, ensure that everything was FMC as expected, and then following the BII being stored, the last step is really just to stage the vehicles and prepare them for transport.